we're talking about the modern internal combustion engine, timing is everything. For an engine to function properly, hundreds of moving parts need to work together in perfect synchronization like the many instruments in a symphony orchestra. The timing belt plays a key role in this orchestral arrangement of parts. Using the timing belt, the crankshaft turns the camshaft half the speed of the crankshaft, causing the intake and exhaust valves to open and shut in time with the pistons as they move up and down in the cylinders. If this tightly orchestrated sequence of events is disrupted, it can cause serious damage to the engine. This is especially true of engines that use an interference design where the valves touch the top of the pistons if the timing is out of sync. When it comes to recommending a replacement timing belt or timing belt kit, there are a lot of options. The wide variety of brands, price points, and quality levels can be confusing for your customers. A great way to cut through the confusion is to ask this fundamental question: how well does the replacement belt match the original belt in terms of material and design? First, let's talk materials. Most modern timing belts are made of complex synthetic materials, not old-school natural rubber. Older belts can be made of neoprene. This material is strong and can last a long time under the hood. Some late-model timing belts can be made of hydrogenated natural rubber, or HNBR. This material has allowed some OEMs to push replacement intervals past 90,000 miles. Don't forget the structural elements in the backing of the belt. These can include engineered fabrics made of advanced materials. The materials can determine how well the belt resists heat cycles and distortion during the service interval. The design of the teeth of the belt can vary in more than pitch, depth, and width. The teeth can be trapezoidal, curvilinear, or have other unique profiles. The different shapes work with the cogs to improve power transfer, lower noise, and even reduce abrasion. Keep in mind that the profiles are not interchangeable. If a replacement belt does not have the same profile, the engine can jump timing and fail prematurely. Let's talk about how timing belt manufacturers engineer new applications. The first step is to acquire the original belt. Some belt manufacturers might just source a belt from a dealership parts department when it becomes available. Other belt manufacturers will acquire the entire vehicle. So not only the belt can be engineered, but also the pulleys and tensioners. Reputable timing belt manufacturers will not only duplicate the physical dimensions and appearance, but some also will duplicate or even improve the materials. In the end, the belt or kit you recommend should come down to trust and reputation. Trusting a no-name belt that leaps to the top of your parts search when sorting by price is not the approach you want to take. Instead, make sure you recommend a trusted brand from a trusted manufacturer that engineers its timing belts to OE specifications. To restore the entire timing system to like-new condition, it's a good idea to recommend a timing belt kit like this one from Continental. It contains a replacement timing belt, water pump, hydraulic actuator, oil seal, and everything else needed for a complete repair. Thanks for watching.